Hello everyone, this is the Kawasaki Z250SL, and what I fitted here is the Coffman exhaust tip systems from the US. Normally they make these for a bunch of other bikes too, but you can actually ask them for, or just contact them if you have a different kind of bike. They might make something for you specifically for it. Anyway, I'm just gonna start it up. Just set this down here. That is with the baffle still on. Now, I'll just take it out very quickly. It just takes a moment. Okay, that's the baffle taken out. Always get a really good snap ring plier to remove that. This is gonna wake the neighbors. There you have it. That's the Coffman's exhaust system on the Kawasaki Z250SL. Because it's a single cylinder, it might sound quite similar if you had put it on a KTM Duke 200 or 390. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.